वॉरियर्स की टीम पहले बल्लेबाजी करेगी। और इसके पश्चात एक फाइनल मुकाबला। तो इस तरह ललित प्रीमियर लीग के अब इस साल की 2 मैचेस शेष और काफी एंजॉय किया सभी लोगों ने। 9 टीमें सुबह से लगातार। और आज आप सब जानते हैं ललित जी का 60वां बर्थडे भी है। परिवार और मित्रों के साथ यहाँ पर सेलिब्रेट किया गया और उनके सम्मान में ये एक शानदार क्रिकेट का आयोजन उनकी सोसाइटी के रहने वाले लोगों के लिए रुणवाल ग्रीन परिवार के साथ सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं। और बड़ा अच्छा लगा, उनकी सभी चारों बहनें, भाई, बेटे और सारे रिलेटिव्स काफ़ी मात्रा में यहाँ उपस्थित रहे। और YouTube के ज़रिए पूरे विश्व में जहाँ जहाँ क्रिकेट लवर्स और ललित भाई के परिचित लोग हैं, खासकर ऑस्ट्रेलिया से मैं बार बार उल्लेख कर रहा हूँ, उनकी बेटी भी ये मैच देख रही है। बड़ा अच्छा लगा और हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि उनको भी ये मैच देखकर अच्छा लगा होगा। थैंक यू सो मच एंड यू आर रियली लकी दैट आपको ऐसे ललित जी जैसे पापा मिले हैं। वेरी ऑनेस्ट, अ वेरी क्लियर ऑफ द हार्ट हम जिसको कह सकते हैं, और बहुत बड़े दिल वाले ऐसे ललित जी के लिए ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं आज आई है। हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन on behalf of you and all those who kachis and relatives who are watching on the television screen or on the YouTube. Thank you once again on behalf of this Lalit family. I'm Dinesh Nagu with my co-commentator Neeta Oshwal. Once again welcoming all of you for this last 1.5 hour, 2 more games to go. And the second semi-final is about to start. Scorer all set, umpire's signal is coming in and it's going to be the first ball. Driven straight to a fielder, gets a single. Again the same stroke and the same result. This time it's a wide signal by the umpire. It's going to be 3. And this time he's out. The first blow. Prabhu is coming back to the pavilion. Three for the loss of 1 wicket. Three for 1. This time drives on the onside, all along the carpet. And the batsman gets a single. Dhananjay over the wicket now. Here he comes and bowls. That's a good delivery. Just past the outside the off stump. Lucky. And that's the end of the over. So after 1 over. No. 4 for the loss of 1 wicket. 4 for 1. And it's going to be the first ball of the fresh over, played back along the track and not for run. Oh, that's a very good delivery indeed. Just missed the off stump. No run. Up easily in the air, but safely the batsman crossover for a single. 5 for the loss of 1 wicket. Haresh Thakkar bowling with his experience, a very beautiful piece of bowling this time. Again, batsman Anand played onto his back foot but not for run. Just played defensively into the covers, and the ball is back with Thakkar. And this time lofted it very beautifully, and that's going to be 6 runs. What a stroke. Superb stroke. Score moves on to 11. This is the second over in progress. 11 for 1. Here comes Thakkar this time in the air. And it's a single only. End of the second over, and it's 12 for the loss of 1 wicket. After 2 over. Oh, that's a very well fielded indeed. Could have been a best catch, but unfortunately ball falls a little short. Atul. Here he comes. Played back along the... And this time played on the onside, and the second wicket gone. Anand coming back to the pavilion. 14 for 2. And really we are thankful to our scorer Mahesh, who really did well throughout this tournament. Very good scoring indeed so far. And he's out again. Atul, a very confident bowler, has picked up another wicket. 3 down now for 24. So thank you Maheshji for your lovely service to the cricket, and thank you. We will really recommend your name, because there was no any hesitation or no any mistake so far from the morning, whatever we have seen. Here comes Atul. Bowled this one outside the off stump. Very well bowled indeed. Atul Salunke, really a beautiful all-rounder, I can say. Whether he bowled or bat. No this ball. Time driven on the onside, no ball.
No ball, 1 run. 2.
Batsman no 1 for 1. 1 plus 1. 16 for 3. Once again, this time played on the onside but not for run. And that's the end of the third over. 16 for 3. After 3 overs. Very well restricted. 16 only for the loss of 3 wickets. Warriors still want some big over, as Mohan now to bowl round the wicket, this time down the leg side. One more extras. 17. Again outside the off stump. Again it's a wide call by the umpire. Played on the onside this time for a single. Well, also we have a very good service. All the three umpires, Nilesh Dhanavade particularly, Kiran and Dheeraj. This time, oh, what a save there! What a save! Lovely save indeed. देखा कैच नहीं हो रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, रन तो रोका जा सकता है और इस तरह टीम को 5 रन बचाने में कामयाब. इस बार 1 रन.
बहुत ही अच्छा टीम वर्क पूरी टीम द्वारा. हर एक अपना अपना रोल अच्छी तरह से निभा रहा है.
बिल्कुल.
अभी ये टीम पहुंची है ना सेमीफाइनल तक.
बिल्कुल. यूनिटी, प्रैक्टिस और लीडरशिप. आपने सुबह 3 S बताए थे कि 5 S बताए थे लोगों को. यस. 3S.
स्टैमिना, स्ट्रेंथ.
जी, तो ये तीनों को फॉलो अप कर रहे. सुबह का इस बार हवा में गेंद काफी हाइट पे थी. नो बॉल का इशारा.
Speed, stamina and strength.
Yes.
That's all what you need for a good team, for a good player to go ahead in any cricket match.
Here comes. This time played on the leg side. It's a wide.
Still 2 more goes.
Struggling for the line and length.
पूरा घुमा दिया.
That's a very good delivery and there's no run there. That's what the line and length team needed. Mohan bowled very well in the league matches. Now settle. Here he comes and bowled this one. This time played outrage and gets a single. 27 for 3.
1 to go for this over.
Misses his run up, walking back. Mohan turn now, right arm around the wicket, passes the umpire. Here he goes, full toss. Played in the air, but
and the score is
28
on the loss of 3 wicket. 4 over, 28 runs on the loss of 3 wicket. Second semi-final of the LSPL tournament.
So
between Warriors and Invincible. Atulji and Kunalji, second semi-final.
So after 4 over, the score is 28 for 3. The captain Atulji coming in, and that's a big one. 6 runs. What a stroke by Kailas Patil. Huge one. With that 6, the score moves on to 34. Atulji bowls. Full toss down the leg side. No hesitation, umpire to declare a no ball. Extra run and an extra ball, which is very vital on this stage. This time up is and what a catch! Oh no, he dropped that. Very well try, Atulji, really. Superb try. Unfortunately, that ball didn't. Here is a replay on your television screen. Here you see diving in front. Almost he got it, but then can't complete it. And in the meanwhile, a single on the next delivery. The score moves on to 37. This is the 5th over in progress. What a final and the semi-final. Oh, it's nice to watch. Again a single. And this time driven
One.
for a single. That's a big one, and it's a 6. And that's the end
Over.
of the over.
45 runs, 3 wickets down.
After
After
5 overs.
5 overs. 45 runs, 3 wicket down.
Kailas is on 20 and Kunal Thakkar is on 6.
20.
20.
20.
Kailash 6.
6. वो तो पीछे से आए.
Kunal is on 6. Now, last over to go. 45 on the board, and Kunal is now going to face Vilas. And Atul is given the ball to Vilas. His last over. Here he goes. It's in the air, but
Wow.
that's a big one. And it's a 6.
6.
50 up, 51.
Score is 51.
Again, it's the same
Yeah.
result. 6 more.
Superb.
Beautiful shot. 2 sixers.
4 balls to go.
And 57. 57 on the
57
ball.
runs. 4 balls to go.
Oh, ho, 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 ho. That one hammered. Back to the bowler. But no run. 3 more to go till 57 on the board. Vilas. Ball this time, it's a wide down the
Well
leg
judging,
side.
well judging.
And batsman, rather he's the captain, Krunal, leaves it alone. This time drives, gets a single.
Single.
2 more balls to go. And the total is on 59 for 3.
Last 2 balls.
Up is in the air, but it's a 6. The third 6 of this over so
And-
far. And 1 to go.
Last ball to go. 60.
Prabhu is now in. The score 65.
65. Last ball to go.
Vilas. Oh, and it's a no ball. No ball on this stage. It's a very vital 67. And also the strike to Kunal. He's on 19.
So all are waiting for a good shot. Last ball.
7th.
67 runs. Last ball. Wide.
Oh, it's a
Wide.
wide again.
Good
68.
judging. Wide, wide.
68. And this time he gets a single.
Oh,
Oh, that's a 2 runs.
2 run.
Yes, do or
Very
die.
good.
And that's a good running between the wicket. 70 on the board.
71 to win for the second semi-final. 71 to win.
What a batting there. 3 for 1. After chasing 71, Sandesh Sawant break through the first. 3 for 1. Up Isley in the air and is out. 3 for 2. जी हाँ, 3 for 2. This time driven Atul, and now Atul has a lot of responsibility after 1 over 4 for the loss of 2 wickets, chasing 71.
1 over 4 runs, 2 wicket down.
It's going to be Kunal, captain to captain once again.
Second semi-final, you're watching Warriors versus Invincible, Atul versus Kunal, and captain versus captain, captain bowling, captain batting.
This time down the
Wide.
leg side and it's a wide.
Again.
It's a no ball. And this time played into the covers and gets a single. One more runs to the total, 7 for 2. Kunal. Into bowl to Nagesh. Flighted, driven on the onside, gets a single. Cricket is very quiet at present, losing 2 quick wicket in the very first over. And this time, oh, what a catch! What a catch again! Superb catch.
Very good, and that's what they all wanted. Kunal to go.
And here's a replay for you.
Yes. Anand.
Anand, what a catch.
Superb catch by
Anand
Anand.
Kulkarni.
Anand Kulkarni, very good catch.
और महेश भाई जिस टीम में रहते हैं वो टीम फाइनल पहुंचती ही है. वेस्ट इंडीज में आपने मेरे साथ बहुत अच्छी पार्टनरशिप की थी. उसके बाद साउथ अफ्रीका में आपको और मेरे को दोनों को बिठाया गया था. लेकिन आज फिर मौका मिला है आपको
फाइनल
कुछ
तक
कर
पहुंचिए.
दिखाने का.
वाइड
वाइड बॉल.
का इशारा.
इस बार 6 रन. शानदार स्ट्रोक. ब्यूटीफुली. 15 for 3.
15 for 3. Still 2 more to go for this over. 2 balls to go.
And now he's going to bowl round the wicket. 15 for 3. Kunal to bowl to Dhananjay. Round the wicket. Here he goes. Down the leg side.
Wide.
And the batsman nothing to do with that. He knows that umpire will declare a wide, and that what team needed extra 1 more runs. It's a good delivery now. Wraps him over his pad. Ajit is the fielder. The shot mid wicket.
Last ball to go, Kunal.
Again, that's a good delivery.
Yes,
That's
finally.
the end of the over. 2 gone, 16 for 3. Need 55 more runs in just 24 deliveries to go. Chetan Bhanusali a bit tired, I think so. It's going to be the Prabhu Lokare. Going to round the wicket now to bowl to Nagesh Kinney. Here comes first ball of the third over. Prabhu Lokare. Round the wicket. Played into the covers. Wicketkeeper runs around, picked up. And the batsman crossover for a single. This time he hit it in the air and is out. Dhananjay coming back to the pavilion. 17 for the loss of 4 wicket now. And it's a very vital wicket. और एक बात तो दाद देनी होगी कि जो अच्छा होमवर्क करके एग्जाम देता है उनका रिजल्ट कुछ अच्छा ही आता है और काफ़ी अच्छा होमवर्क मैं कह सकता हूं कि इस वक्त वॉरियर टीम ने किया है और जिनका फायदा भी उनको मिल रहा है।
काफी प्लेयर्स ना ऑल राउंडर है, मुझे लगता है वो अच्छी विकेट कीपिंग भी कर रहे हैं, अच्छी बॉलिंग भी कर रहे हैं, अच्छी बैटिंग भी कर रहे हैं, मतलब सारा जो अपनी टीम के लिए बेस्ट दे रहे हैं। कोई प्लेयर्स बहुत अच्छा प्रदर्शन सुबह से।
ऑफ स्टंप से बाहर फिर से वाइड बॉल का इशारा।
19.4 19 ओह अरे
काफी आगे निकल गए थे नागेश, इसलिए दूसरा रन लेने का कोई अवसर नहीं था वहां पर।
20 at the loss of 4, still 2 balls to go for the over.
इस बार खेल दिया एक रन के लिए। ये काफी थ्रो, चेतन जी अगर नीचे रहता तो शायद मौका था।
1 to go for this over. साइड कट मार दिया और 1 रन चुरा लिया है। 22 3 overs 23 runs 4 wicket loss। 22
after 3 22 for 4।
22 runs 4 wicket down after 3 overs।
और अब चाहिए 18 गेंदों में 49। Needed 49 in just 18 deliveries।
$18 balls 49 runs।
Some discussion between the bowlers and the senior players that the fourth over is a very vital and who is going to bowl that, and at the end of the day it's going to be Soumyadeep Banerjee. Lofted it and he dropped it. It was a very comfortable, I think.
Good fielding. Very good fielding.
It was a chance and was in the air for a long time, but he anyway 1 more runs to the total. 23 for 4. Soumyadeep now bowled to Mohand. He's on 6 He's on 2 rather. Down the
Wide.
leg side.
Wide.
And it's a no ball called by Soumya.
No ball. 1+1.
Sorry. There's no ball, yeah. No ball नहीं
Cancel,
है.
cancelled.
मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ,
Cancel,
नहीं
cancel.
है. It's in the air and it's a
6.
long way. It's a 6.
By Nagesh. Good shot by Nagesh.
31 for 4. 40 runs required in 15 delivery now.
40 runs, 15 balls.
Nagesh is on 11. Oh, that's a good throw, but lucky batsman crossover for a single. Mohan is on 3.
Last 2 balls to go for this over. Last 2 balls.
Banerjee. Oh, that's a beautiful shot, but not
Out.
in a range. It was on the onside and is
Yes.
coming back to the pavilion. Soumya breakthrough, and this 5th wicket fall on 32 for 5.
Last ball to go for this over.
And it's going to be Harish Thakkar now taking strike.
Ah,
And that's a no ball and a 6.
6. Wow.
Soumya,
No ball
no
plus
ball and a
6.
6. And 7 runs. 39 for 5. Now required 32 in 13
13
deliveries. It's a good ball. Just gets a single. And that's the end of the 4th over. 4 gone, 40 for the loss of 5 wicket. 2 overs to go.
12 balls, 31 runs. 12 ball, 31 run to go. For the final, let's see who is going to be, which team will go in finals.
This time steered away to third man, gets a single. Drives handsomely. Oh, very well saved that. Gets a single only.
Well, good, very good fielding.
Very good
Very
fielding
good fielding.
indeed. Prevent 3 runs.
Superb. उन्होंने आदमी रखे हैं ना, वो थोड़ी करते हैं.
इस बार सही बात है, महेश भाई जिस टीम में रहेंगे वो टीम को फायदा ही फायदा, क्योंकि एंटरटेनमेंट का कोई टैक्स नहीं लेते वो, और काफी लकी रहे हैं. देखना है कि
8 balls, 29 runs to go.
महेश भाई को इस मैच में बॉलिंग मिलती है कि नहीं देखना होगा. अच्छा, लास्ट ओवर शायद चक्कर चल पड़े हैं. इनकी पहचान डायरेक्ट मोदी जी से है ना, वहां से कॉल आ गया होगा कि एक ओवर देना मुझे, तो
Wide.
हो सकता है आखिरी ओवर उनको मिले.
28 runs to go. Again a no.
और अब शायद दरवाजा बंद कर चुके हैं. हरीश ठक्कर खेलने के लिए तैयार.
Score.
44 for the loss of 5 wicket. Here's a replay for you.
6 bill.
ये देखिए किस तरह डाई लगाई महेश जी ने। और अब 27 रनों की जरूरत, 6 गेंदे 27 रन।
6 गेंदे 27 रन। फाइनल्स देखते हैं फाइनल्स में कौन जाएगा। क्या चाहते हैं हमारे पीछे बैठे हुए व्यूअर्स, कौन सी टीम जानी चाहिए फाइनल्स के लिए, वॉरियर्स या इनविंसिबल?
महेश जी के होते हुए और कौन हो
कुणाल
सकता
या
है?
अतुल, कौन जाना चाहिए फाइनल में?
बहुत ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन है, नहीं बता सकते सब।
आपके दोस्त कौन सी ज्यादा साइड है देख लीजिए ना। अच्छा, ये हम साथ साथे वाला मैच चल रहा है।
और
तो
इस
चाहते हैं
बार
जो बेस्ट
सिर्फ
करे
एक
अपना
ही
वो
रन।
आगे जाए फाइनल्स में, और बेस्ट टीम में द बेस्ट टीम विन।
क्या बात है।
महेश भाई को बॉनल मिल गई।
महेश भाई को एक्चुअली टीम को 3-3 ओवर देनी चाहिए, उनको सिर्फ एक ही ओवर दे रहे। देखो कितनी नपी तुली गेंदबाजी करते हैं। क्या है, एक ही छक्का दिया, बाकी लोग 4-4 देते हैं। हाँ सॉरी ओके, नहीं आप जीत रहे हो, डोंट वरी।
4 बॉल में 20 रनों की जरूरत है। 4 बॉल
4 गेंदे
20
20
रन।
रन। महेश जी
4 बॉल 20 रन।
बहुत
वाह!
अच्छी गेंद, 3 गेंद 20 रन।
3 बॉल 20 रन। देखते हैं कौन सी टीम जाएगी फाइनल्स में, वॉरियर्स या इनविंसिबल?
जो अच्छा खेलेगी वो जाएगी डेफिनेटली, जो गलती करेगी
सॉरी, नहीं देते।
एक सही बात है, बहुत नापीतुली गेंदबाजी। महेश जी आगे आए और ये out।
सीधा हाथ में।
देखिए
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया। अब 2 बॉलों में जरूरत है 20 रन। 2 बॉल 20 रन, सिर्फ 2 ही गेंद डालनी है आपको महेश जी, और आपकी टीम फाइनल्स में होगी। सिर्फ 2 ही गेंद डालनी है।
2 गेंदों में 20 रनों की जरूरत। हाँ 2
4 मत दे
गेंदे।
देना बस, बाकी तो इम्पॉसिबल मैच है अगर 2 ही गेंद गई तो, पर कुछ भी हो सकता है मैच में।
तो इस तरह हाँ, और
आउट है।
उधर से ही भेज दिया।
अब तो जीत गए ना, अब तो जीत गए। 1 बॉल में क्या बनेगा।
तो महेश जी ने मैच
out
जीत
हो गए।
लिया है।
ऑल आउट। वॉरियर्स पहुंच गई है फाइनल्स में।
तो अब वॉरियर्स
तो फाइनल्स,
वर्सेस स्मैशर्स।
वॉरियर्स वर्सेस स्मैशर्स फाइनल का मुकाबला होगा। नहीं, फाइनल्स बाकी है अभी।
खत्म हो गया।
ये हो गया, हाँ ऑल आउट। ओह,
एक 15 मिनट का छोटा सा ब्रेक होगा और फाइनल जो है वो 8:45 को स्टार्ट होगा। तो थोड़ा सा